Hey, it's Clyde Forland with CritterCoin, and today we're going to be talking about a core feature of our platform, digital coins. With CritterCoin, schools can create custom 3D coins, and teachers can easily send them to students to reward desired behaviors in class or around school. Digital coins can provide an amazing foundation for a school-wide PBIS system. Students can earn and collect these digital coins over time and can show them off to their family and friends. But even better, each coin has a point value associated with it. So if a student earns a coin worth 3 points, 3 points will automatically be added to the student's house score. That same coin will also earn the student 3 reward points that they can spend in the school reward store. The more coins they earn, the more points they earn. Digital coins can enhance your school's culture and increase student autonomy. By aligning digital coins with real-world desired behaviors, students know what's expected of them, and earning points keeps them motivated and engaged. Getting started with coins is easy. Simply follow our AI setup wizard and you'll have an awesome batch of coins to get started with that are perfectly aligned with your school's core values. You can start a school-wide PBIS system literally in just a couple of minutes. Thanks for watching.